Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC along with this median AD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this segment BD equal to this segment CD, and moreover we got this segment DE, and as a result we are ended up with this yellow shaded triangle ADE. And furthermore, this side AB length is 72 units, whereas this segment AE length is 63 units. And bear in mind that this angle is our 90 degrees angle. And now our task is to calculate the area of this yellow shaded triangle ADE. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's make an observation. We know this segment BD equal to this segment CD. And this angle BAC is our 90 degrees angle. So therefore, I'm going to go over the basic review. And now let's focus on this circle with a center D. And we can see its diameter is BC. And here we got these two chords AB and AC. And they meet each other at this vertex A. And now let's recall the Thales theorem. According to this theorem, if A, B and C are our three distinct points on the circle, and the line BC is the diameter, then the angle BAC has got to be a right angle. In other words, this angle has got to be a 90-degree angle. So no wonder we can see that this angle BAC has got to be a 90-degree angle, since A, B and C are our three distinct points on the very same circle, and BC is the diameter. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this BD segment is our radius lowercase r, and likewise this CD is going to be radius lowercase r as well. In other words, these two radii are going to be equal. And now I'm going to connect this center D with this vertex A, as you can see in this next step. And now let's make an observation. We can see this AD is the radius of the very same circle. So this is going to be our radius lowercase r. So therefore, this radius is going to be equal to these radii as well. And now let's focus on this circle with the center D. And we can see that this right triangle ABC is fully inscribed in a circle. And here we are going to apply the very same concept on this given problem. We can see this BD is our radius lowercase r. This CD is our radius lowercase r as well. And furthermore, this line AD is our radius as well. So it's going to be lowercase r as well. So therefore we conclude that this segment BD equal to this segment CD, and that is going to be equal to this segment AD. And now let's focus on this triangle ABD. And we can see this is an isosceles triangle, since this side length equal to this side length. And here I dropped a perpendicular DF on this side AB. And here we got another crucial fact. We got this isosceles triangle ABD, since this side length equal to this side length. And furthermore, DF is the perpendicular on this side AB. Then we conclude that this segment AF has got to be equal to this segment BF. So therefore we conclude that this segment BF is going to be equal to this segment AF, and we know this whole side length AB is 72 units. So therefore this segment BF has got to be 36, and likewise this segment AF is going to be 36 as well. And in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular DP on this side AC. Now let's make an observation. We can see this angle is our 90-degree angle, this angle is 90-degree angle, and this angle is 90-degree angle as well. So therefore we conclude that this segment DP is going to be equal to this segment AF, and now we know this AF segment is 36 units. So therefore this DP segment is going to be 36 units as well. And now let's focus on this yellow shaded triangle ADE, and I'm going to calculate the area of this yellow shaded triangle ADE. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times the base times the height of the triangle. And here we can see the base of this yellow shaded triangle is 63 units, whereas the height of this triangle is 36. So therefore the yellow shaded triangle ADE area is going to be a half times 63 times the height is 36. And if we multiply and simplify the right hand side, that is going to give us 1134 square units, the area of this yellow shaded triangle ADE. So thus, after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this yellow shaded triangle ADE turns out to be 1134 square units. In other words, the area of this yellow shaded triangle is going to be 1134 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.